Plant FAQs. Zinfin doll hydrangea. The Zinfin doll hydrangea, a show-stopping bloom for any garden. For those seeking a hydrangea that delivers vibrant color and long-lasting blooms, the Zinfin doll is a true champion. This stunning variety boasts a captivating display, transforming your garden into a kaleidoscope of white, pink, and eventually deep red hues. But beyond its beauty, the Zinfin doll is surprisingly resilient and easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and novices like myself. Over the past few years, I've been on a mission to cultivate a vibrant and flourishing garden, and the Zinfin doll has become a true centerpiece. In this article, I'll share my experience with this remarkable hydrangea, offering insights on germination, care, and where to find this floral gem. Zinfin doll hydrangea versus Pinky Winky. Comparing Zinfin doll hydrangea with Pinky Winky hydrangea, I found that Zinfin doll's fuller blooms and richer pink hues capture my garden's spotlight more effectively. Zinfin doll hydrangea versus vanilla strawberry. Zinfin doll hydrangea impresses me with its prolonged and intense coloration compared to vanilla strawberry hydrangea, which tends to fade faster. Zinfin doll hydrangea versus firelight hydrangea. I prefer Zinfin doll hydrangea over firelight hydrangea because its color transformation from white to pink is more striking and lasts longer in my experience. How to germinate Zinfin doll hydrangea. While propagating hydrangeas from cuttings is a viable option, I opted for the simpler route of starting with seeds. Germinating Zinfin doll seeds requires a bit of patience, but the process is straightforward. Here's what I learned. Timing is key. Aim to sow your seeds indoors around 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost in your area. This gives the seedlings ample time to develop a strong root system before transplanting them outdoors. Prepare the seed tray. Fill a seed tray with a well-draining potting mix. Moisten the mix lightly but thoroughly. Sowing the seeds. Scatter the seeds evenly on the surface of the potting mix and press them gently to ensure good contact. Don't bury the seeds deeply. They need light for germination. Light and temperature. Place the seed tray in a warm location receiving indirect sunlight. A temperature range of 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 21 degrees Celsius, is ideal. Moisture management. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. A humidity dome can be helpful in retaining moisture. Sprouting and beyond. Germination can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Once seedlings emerge, provide them with good airflow and gradually reduce humidity. When the seedlings have developed 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into individual pots. What year was Zinfin doll hydrangea introduced? The Zinfin doll hydrangea is a relatively new addition to the gardening world, having been introduced in 2016. Developed by proven winners, this captivating variety quickly gained popularity for its unique color-changing blooms and impressive flower power. Where to buy Zinfin doll hydrangea? Finding Zinfin doll hydrangeas can be slightly more challenging than some other varieties, but with a bit of searching, you're sure to find them. Here are some options. Local nurseries. Check with reputable nurseries in your area. Spring is the prime time to find them, but availability might vary. Online retailers. Several online retailers specialize in selling hydrangeas, including Zinfin doll. Look for reputable vendors with positive customer reviews. Plant exchanges or garden clubs. Participating in plant swaps or joining local gardening groups can be a great way to find Zinfin doll plants from fellow enthusiasts. How to care for Zinfin doll hydrangea. With proper care, your Zinfin doll hydrangea will reward you with years of stunning blooms. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Planting. Choose a location that receives morning sun and afternoon shade. The plant thrives in well-drained, fertile soil. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. A balanced fertilizer applied once or twice during the growing season can promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Pruning. Prune your Zinfin doll hydrangea in late winter or early spring before new growth appears. This encourages bushier growth and promotes larger blooms. Zinfin doll, a showstopper for any season. The Zinfin doll hydrangea is more than just a beautiful summer bloomer. Its long-lasting flowers transition through a captivating color palette, transforming your garden into a vibrant display throughout the season. With its manageable size and easygoing nature, this hydrangea is a true gem for any garden, offering a touch of elegance and color for months to come. So, if you're looking for a show-stopping addition to your garden, consider the Zinfin doll hydrangea. With a little care and attention, this captivating variety will reward you with years of dazzling blooms.